I'm Marco from MokaJEnne. With more than 20 years of experience as bartender, I started with mixology and then decided to improve my professional training in coffee making through the courses by Coffee Academy by MokaJEnne. From the very beginning, I understood how important the search and the quality selection of coffee blends is. A 100% Tuscany company, leader in a coffee blends production with more than 150 years of history and success. We will be glad to share our know-how with you by realizing these videos where we are going to show the correct processing of our product and the right parameters to enhance the quality of our coffee. Very few tricks necessary in order to produce the best coffee by MokaJEnne.